promote ng werewolf, nakakasakay na ako ng airplane. Dati naka-tricycle lang ako. Tapos ngayon nasaya nakakapag-airplane na, di ba? Thank you, Lord.
Thank you. Okay, and final question. This is for everybody. Anong takeaway o mararamdaman ng mga manonood after watching A Werewolf Boy? And then segue na rin natin sa invite sa ating audience na manood ng movie nyo. Let's start with Miss Candy and then direct. The question was, anong takeaway o mararamdaman ng mga manonood after watching A Werewolf Boy? And then segue to invite na rin po.
Okay, takeaway. Ang masabi niya, you will love your family after this. More. You will love your family more and you will love your pets more. Hindi totoo. Hindi totoo. Kasi yun talaga ako. Kasi pagkatapos ko gawin to, talaga miss na miss ko talaga yung mga... Grabe. Talaga. Sobra. Yun talaga yung feeling ko. Yun talagang, they are not just pets, but they are family. They are family. Yung any pet that we see outside na wala sila, yung mga ano, parang gusto kong magtayo na bigla ng shelter, umabot ako sa ganyan, yung gano'n yung feeling ko. Diba? They have emotions. Every human being has emotions, and we can love more than we think that we can. I think that is the takeaway. So please do watch our movie, A Werewolf Boy, on January 14.
Very well said. Thank you. Direk?
Trivia lang ng isang wolf ay isang mate lang siya sa buong buhay niya. Isang mate lang hanggang mamatay siya. Yun ang pinipili niya. So, feeling ko, ang message ng A Werewolf Boy is really, yung sinabi ko kanina, love waits. Love really waits. Kahit gaano katagal yan, pag mahal mo yung isang tao, whether dekada, mag-aantay ka para sa kanya. So, maraming salamat po. On January 14 next year, opening ng Viva, A Werewolf Boy. Salamat po.
Salamat po. Angela?
Actually, nasabi na po nila, pero I think mine would be love endures. You know, kapag mahal mo yung isang tao, kahit masakit, gagawin mo, diba? So, yun lang po. I hope you guys watch it because there's more to it than sa mga sinabi namin. Sana ma-enjoy nyo po kasi talaga po binuhos po namin dito yung hearts namin and yung passion namin sa project na ito. Sana po magustuhan nyo po. January 14, guys.
Ako naman po, hindi ko pa ito napapanood, pero sure ako na maiiyak kayo dito. Kasi habang ginagawa pa lang namin, talagang sobrang emotional ako. Never ako hirap po ako umiyak sa mga ginagawa namin ni Direk Chris. Pero dito sa pelikulang to, parang kakausapin lang ako ni Direk na, oh boy, ganyan-ganyan. Naluluha na ako. Kawawa si boy. Parang after nyo mapanood to, feeling ko lalabas kayo ng pamilya nyo, magbabakasyon kayo, marirealize nyo yung sacrifices ng mother and father nyo. Very family movie siya. Tapos mapapa-adapt din kayo ng aso. Pagkatapos yung pinanood to, ang sarap mag-alaga ng aso. Ayun po. Sa January 14 na po yan in cinemas nationwide. Panoorin niyo po ang A Werewolf Boy. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Wow, what a great Q&A. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating cast and director. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, we promised you a final group photo with everybody here. So kindly line up here by the stage. Thank you so much, muli, to all of our official partners, PBO, Sari Sari, TMC, Viva Cinema, CMP, Boteju, and Viva Beauty. Muli po for all your photos and reactions. Please do use our official hashtags, AWerewolfBoyPH, hashtag AWBMediaCon, and hashtag RabGel. Alright, muli maraming salamat to all of our dear friends from the entertainment media, content creators, influencers, vloggers, lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And I did hear somebody from the cast earlier say that they have not seen the trailer. Alright, so here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all enjoy together, the official trailer of A Werewolf Boy.
Halika! Huwag ka matakot! Huwag ka matakot! Halika dito!
Tao pala siya, ma'am.
Pangalan mo?
Pangalan,
Hindi ho namin alam eh, pero tinawag ho namin siyang Boy.
Kasarian.
Malamang Boy. Nakakapagsalita ba yan? Hindi.
Ano naman? Alam mo naman, hindi natin kaano-ano yan eh.
Wala siya ni isang kaano-ano sa buhay niya. Sige na, Sarah, pumayag ka na. Wala kasi masyadong kaibigan ng anak ko. Hindi ko na maalala kung kailan ko siya huling nakita bumiti.
Tao po.
Di ikaw. Hindi ka naman tao. Kailangan mo lang paglutuan ako ng masarap, tsaka halikan mo ako na
Pangas ka, ha? Talaga ko yung angas mo, ha?
Salamat.
Basic senses niya tulad ng vision, sense of hearing, sense of smell. All good naman. Pero 3 times beyond human level na.
Wait! Go eat. Yan, ganyan. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Lahat ng gusto ko, nakukuha ko!
Hindi mo ako makukuha.
animal ka.
Halimaw ka!
Hoy, umalis ka na. Huwag na huwag ka magpapakita ha. Papatayin ka nila kapag sumama ka sa akin. Umalis ka na! Mahal kita, walang iba. Ang sa'yo, sinta.
Thank you so much. Okay, apologies po to our cast and director. Nabitin daw po yung ating official photographer. Miss Candy is emotional right now. But for good reason, I am very, very sure. Let's just request for another group photo po with everybody. With the emotional Miss Candy. Para po sa ating official photographer, please look towards the center. Miss Candy, here's tissue. Okay, meron na. Okay, ayan po. Thank you so much. Please look towards the center for our official Viva photographer. And for updates on A Werewolf Boy, please like and follow Viva Films official social media accounts on Facebook.com/Viva Films and on X and Instagram at Viva_Films. Okay, tingin naman po tayo towards the left. Everybody, thank you. At muli po namin kayong inaanyayahan na suportahan at abangan ang pagkakataong masaksihan ng isang natatanging kwento ng pag-ibig. Thank you so much. Tingin naman po towards the right. At yan, syempre mga kaibigan, ang A Werewolf Boy showing this coming January 14, 2026. Muli maraming salamat po sa inyo and have a great day, everybody.
Doon sa gilid.